My name is Kristina Heister. I'm the superintendent at Gettysburg National Military Park. Behind me stands the Klingel Farmhouse, which has been on the Gettysburg battlefield since 1828. To many of you viewing this video, it probably looks like a hot mess. That's because it is a hot mess. So what happened here? If you look at the home is composed of 7-inch thick hand-hewn logs. Between the logs is chinking, which is just wood and flat stone that keeps the critters and the weather out, and then that is covered with lime daubing. In 2010, the National Park Service made the decision to restore this structure to the way it would have appeared in 1863. Those repairs were also necessary to address some of the deterioration in the logs at that time, repair the chinking, and replace the daubing. Those repairs were all intended to keep water out of the logs, but allow the home to breathe at the same time. The preservation efforts, after consultation with many types of experts, included the repair of the chinking, the replacement of the daubing, and the use of an epoxy filler to fill in cracks and holes in the logs, as well as an epoxy coating on the upper and lower portions of the logs. By 2012, the daubing and the lime wash had failed. Unfortunately, that was probably likely due to the use of the epoxy, which prevented that from adhering properly and performing properly. Additional repairs were made, unfortunately, including the use of latex paint on the exterior of the home. In the final analysis, it is the combined use of epoxy and latex paint that resulted in the logs holding water instead of allowing the home to breathe and the logs to dry out as they needed to over time. And that has resulted in what you see behind me, which is severe deterioration and rotting of the logs in this home. This is the park's #1 priority. This is an important structure on the battlefield. It is not something that we can do alone. And we are so grateful and thankful to have a partner such as the Gettysburg Foundation to help us in the effort to restore not only this important farmhouse, but also the historic landscape of Gettysburg.